Greetings and salutations. This is Carla from MooreTalkJa, or in this moment, it would seem I'm also a sideshow bob because my hair is. I don't know what my hair is doing, but I like it because it look long, and I like the fact that it look long. Anyway, so obviously I've been missing for a long time, and obviously I've been playing this game with you all where I keep going missing for a long time, right? So this vlog started out to share like a little word of inspiration, but then I have another idea because I'm like, let's talk about the reasons that people think Carla is not vlogging. Reason one: Carla breed and she'll try at the belly and she's going to come back when she's lost all of the baby weight. Well, honey, if this is me post losing the baby weight, it's obvious that I needed to breastfeed for a little bit more so the baby could have dropped me down a little more, because I am still just as big as when you last saw me. I know there's this trend that people do where, like, when you look on Facebook and you realize that all of the picture them just start to be retro pictures, you know, so somebody secretly adding a pregnancy and all of a sudden you just go see a picture like a little fist show up one day if you know, so the baby born. No, I'm not hiding a baby of any sort. Two, Carla is going through sort of emotional and mental trauma brought about by some type of very aggressive and intense activity in her life, and she's hiding out. Some of that might have been true. I have been going through a very rewarding but strenuous evolutionary period, and I think I am coming to some place in it where I can plateau and bounce out and come back. Three, Carla get rich and switch. By far, this is the one that is most annoying because I am still pressing around town in the Corolla. Okay, it's not necessarily a Corolla right now, but I'm still living on like syrup and water and still snacking on bread and butter and all of those things. So I've definitely not gotten rich and switch. Certain opportunities have come to me. None of them have come to full fruition, but me definitely don't rich and me don't switch because I am not any type of light connecting device. No switching around here. So where is it that I've actually been? Attending to myself, yes. Resettling into Jamaica, because a lot of people when they bought me up, they don't realize I'm actually back living in Jamaica right now. I'm done with Canada. I have my degree, big up me, and I'm back trying to settle in at home. So I've been attending to myself. I've been settling into Jamaica, looking work like everybody else. I'm basically just being. I'm living right now Wi-Fi free, and with the type of Wi-Fi situation that I have, if I'm to upload vlogs, I'm going to essentially have to pay about 1,500 Jamaican dollars per vlog to upload it, which is very strenuous for me right now, especially since I'm looking for jobs. I don't have jobs, but I miss vlogging, yo, and I want to come back to vlogging, and I miss communicating with y'all. I miss talking to them under the videos. I miss being on Twitter, and it's like it's like this cycles. I don't vlog, and then it costs me off for not vlogging, and then I have to cost me off for not vlogging. Like, I don't want to go on Twitter to get the cuss out, so I just hide. Guys, I'm not emotionally stable sometimes, and sometimes I avoid dealing with my issues. So when the fact that I don't vlog start to feel like an issue, then I just hide. But I don't want to hide anymore. So this is full disclosure that I know that I've been messing up, and I know I owe you like 3 scandal vlogs. And Kerry Washington has glowed, and I don't know if the baby has born or whatever, because I've literally been living in this hole. But I want to come back, so I'm coming back. So I'm asking in a pardon for the ways that I have not held up my end of this vlogging bargain. I'm asking in a pardon for the fact that I got you all used to hearing me run off at the mouth about everything, and then I stopped running off at the mouth. And I'm just asking you all to please believe me when I say that, you know, I've had some things that I've had to do. Not my degree. I've had some other things that I've had to do. I've done them, so I'm ready to come back. So what was the point of this vlog originally? Somebody might open my door right now, and even if a family member opens the door, I'm going to continue recording this, so you just watch out for that. So what was the point of this vlog? The original point of this vlog was to say this to you. It was an aha moment that I have. Listen, when you have a reaction to something, or you respond to something that happens, and you respond in a way that you don't like, in a way that does not please you, spend as little time as possible beating yourself up for the way that you have reacted. It's like a bargaining table, right? Your initial reaction is your initial offer. That's not your final offer. Go back to the bargaining table with yourself and work through with yourself what is the reaction that you want yourself to have. And be kind enough to yourself to allow yourself the space to grow into the type of person whose initial reaction is what you want it to be. Because I had something happen to me a while ago. Like, I got some good news on behalf of a friend, and I just couldn't get there to get happy for them because of all of the other implications of the good news that that friend meant for me. And I was like, Carla, what kind of hard person are you? Why can't you be happy for this person? This person will be happy for you, and all of this type of stuff. And then I had to stop myself and say, Carla, that is your initial reaction, and it's coming from a true place because its implications for you are real. But you can be the type of human being whose initial reaction is happiness, and you can get your reaction to be happiness in this situation if you just take the time to talk it out with yourself. So that was the point of this vlog, is to just tell you, listen, be gentle with yourself. Whatever your reaction to something is that is real, sit down and figure out why it is your reaction before you spend your time beating up on yourself. This is the most random hodgepodgey vlog. I know it doesn't make any sense because I'm doing several things at once in this one vlog, but I just want to talk to you all because I miss you, and so I will see you next week. I swear. Bye.